Alright everyone, in this video we are going to test out our new 3D printing pen. This is actually called as MYNT 3D and this is the Pro version of the MYNT 3D printing pen. So just like the old one that we had, this one, it has got two buttons to take the filament inside or bring it out. And we have the speed control here. And we have a small LED display and there's a couple of buttons just to adjust the values that shows up in the display. So based on the kind of plastic that we are going to use, we will have to make adjustments there. Great, and this one basically has a USB port, and I heard that this can be used even from a power bank, so you don't need to rely on a wall outlet like this kind of adapter. Okay, and this adapter basically is for US, so we can't use it, but I checked the voltage. So it is 5 volt and 2 amps, which is the same power for my Samsung charger, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect this up and see how this 3D pen works. Meanwhile, Ria is drawing a cool little fish. So we're going to start creating that fish in this video.
Let's do it.
Alright, so we're all set up to start with our new 3D printing pen. So I'm going to connect the power. Let's see what happens. Okay, there's a welcome text, and it says ABS and target is 210, so that's 210 degrees for ABS. So we are using a PLA filament, so we need to change that. So I'll try this minus symbol. It just reduces the temperature, but it does not change the mode. Okay, so when it goes below 190, it becomes PLA. So I think 180 should be enough for PLA, or 170, I don't know. So let's try 175. Okay, so that's the target temperature, it says, but that's not the current temperature. So let's I think I'll have to just press this power button just to heat up. Yes, so it says the current temperature is 34, 35, and it's just increasing. Let's just wait for it.
Waiting for it to become bigger.
Become warmer. Hotter.
Yeah.
Okay, so 100, 104, 106, 108, 113.
What is this number?
Okay.
30, 40, 50, 60.
So we need to wait till 175.
Oh, okay, let me wait.
Okay, I can adjust the temperature even now. 170. I think 170 should be fine. I'll insert the filament here. And it goes much smoother than... Okay, there you go.
Slowly.
So I can hear the motor sound.
Yeah, but I think maybe we need to make it faster. Make it up, maybe.
Okay, that's faster.
Oh, this much faster we can go.
Yes. There you go. Now it takes the filament inside.
Yeah, running in.
And we should see it coming out.
Come on quickly. Why are you waiting?
Well, it takes some time, no problem.
Okay, then I wait. Can you come quickly?
Yes,
Yeah.
there you go.
Why are
So
you
there is,
white?
yeah, there is some white filament that's coming out. That was the older one probably, that was used in the factory while testing out. So now we have the golden color.
Hey.
So I'm going to start drawing it. Let's say I'll keep it at medium. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll start creating the little fish that Ria has drawn. So
Little fish.
there you
Is it cute,
go.
Papa?
It's very cute.
Thank you.
Oh, it's going so fast.
What is it?
Going
I
so
think maybe
fast.
you can do the
Reduce the speed.
temperature.
Yes, not temperature, speed.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's our fish. Ria's drawing and my 3D printing. Yeah.
It's a cute little fish. A cute little fish. A cute
So,
fish.
I think that looks fine.
Yeah.
And we can do some cleanup there, but just before finishing off, I want to make sure that I take this out because last time that was the mistake that we did. So I want to make sure that I take this out completely before we stop.
Slow.
Yes.
Slow.
We need a scissors, I guess, just to clean up stuff. And
My cute little fish, can you swim in the water? I think yes. Swim in the water.
fish.
Yeah, it should splash, right?
So that's our new 3D printing pen, and you'll see more videos of this soon. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye, fishy.